Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to install geode. This is not fake. First, go to Safari. And then type in applejunior.net. applejunior.net. Go to here, click on K sign, and then click on this, and then do it again. And then do it again. It will show you the app channel. Do you want to allow this? And then click allow, and then click close, and then go to settings. And then go to general. And then go to general. Go to VPN device management, Apple Junior V2. Put in your password. Click install, and then click if you see click on this, and then you have Apple Junior, and then click on Apple Junior, and then download K sign. Download K sign or E sign, but K sign, I think K sign. See, it would say we would like to install K sign, and then click on install, and then go to the geode website, and then click on install for Android, and then geode will give you the file, and then go to K sign, and then put the file, and then geode will be installed, and then go to settings, settings, and then click on install helper, and then it will give you the helper file, and then click on the launch, and then it will load it, and then you play geode. Please smash like for the next episode, and in the next episode I will show you how to install iCreate Pro. Bye.